Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Spidel. Today we are going to solve a tricky scheduling problem. This is a classic least common multiple question. Here is the farmer's market scheduling dilemma. Mr. Lee restocks every 2 days, Mrs. Gomez restocks every 3 days, and Alex restocks every 4 days. On October 1st, they all restock together. When is the next day they all restock together? First, let's figure out what we're looking for. We need to find the first time their different schedules line up after October 1st. Let's look at the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, and 16. The least common multiple is 12. They restock together every 12 days. The last time they all restocked was October 1st, so we just need to add 12 days to this date. Since we start on the 1st, we just count forward. No month crossing needed. 1 plus 12 equals 13. Solved! And there it is. Their next combined restock day is October 13th. Problem solved. Great job, everyone! Like and subscribe.